everybody. Welcome to Stannyland. I am your host, Stantec. Today we're going to change a fork. We're going to do a Rad Runner fork today. Live from Stannyland. Click subscribe and like my channel. Like me. Like my channel. Oh, look at the quiver, bro. Whew. Yeah, there it is. The quiv. Freaking toys. Libtech. Go buy one. So you got a bent fork. Look at that. Okay, the fork is bent here and here. See how that buckled? See that? Bent. We're stuck. So 14-year-old son hit a root, and because he was racing the e-bike. And I said, don't race the e-bike, dude. What are you doing? He said, well, Dad, I'm 14. And I'm in the bad boy club. So take your fender off. I don't care about scratching this up because it's toast. My friend Eric works there. And he said he was going to work on this problem. And I said, Eric, work on this problem. And he said, I will. But I got a replacement fork for free because it was within a year warranty. Boom. There it is. I should have came with a fancy toolkit with all the goodies in it. Let's see what we got. Boom. You don't need anything else. So we're just going to take this off right now. Make sure you prop up your wheel. Easy peasy. Comes right off. You're going to take these off with your Allen wrench. You're going to take this off. And you're going to cut this. And then we're going to loosen this. Slide it out. And then put this back in. Easy. Got your fancy little toolkit. Oh, you like these shoes? I got these from free at work. Man, the socks were free too. Nope, this guy. Make sure you get a nice bucket. Oh yeah. There we go. My friend Temple told me how to do it because he just had the same thing happen. And what's funny is his daughter, she's 13. My son's 14. It's always the kids. So just these two. Okay. It's always the kids. They both hit. She hit a pole and he hit a stump. And both bent the frame. Bent these. But Rad Bikes is pretty good about warranty. So, and then take this off. So it looks like I'm going pretty good. Oh, maybe this needs a 10. Gotcha. Okay, take the light off. So this is an easy fix, guys. It's turning out to be simple Simon. So there we go. So take that off. Make sure to replace your divots. There you go. So we got the brake off and this off. And we got to cut that. Just cut that. There you go. Okay, here we go. Is this... See, I don't know. There it is. I want to get it completely off of there. Let's see what it screws into. Yes, it screws into that. So easy, bro. So take that off. Oh, there's Temple. There's my friend. Bring a friend day. Temple, you're on my YouTube channel.
Hi.
Yeah.
Oh, GoPro. That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah, we're gonna have a signing. We're gonna give away a snowboard on my YouTube channel to drive traffic. So if you like and subscribe. Okay, he's gone. Are we still watching? Okay, that was Temple. We're gonna do a giveaway. That's when I'll post the Bank Country video. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Just takes a little bit. Okay. There it goes. So I think we're gonna be good here. I think that just tightens it down. So let's do this one as well. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. You should know that by now. So yeah, I've got all kinds of household videos. It's called Man School. And you know what Man School does? Man School rips. So there we go. This one's loosened. So if these are loosened, does that mean this just pops out? Oh, it does. Look at that. Here we go, guys. Here. I should be your bike mechanic now. Watch out, bike mechanics. I'm coming. Oh, shit. Okay. You'll know not to do that. So that's just gonna fall right off. Ooh, shit, that comes off too. So just be careful out there. So I'm glad that I videoed that, because that will actually save you from doing that. Hold on to the handlebars and this top piece before you take it off. Okay, so slip this effer back in. All right, so we're gonna put this guy back on. So, oh great, was I not filming properly? Man School rips. It rips. Anything around the house, like hot tubs or bird shit. We got a couple bird shit videos out there. Check them out. Oh, see? Live and learn. See that? That shit's getting tight now. And this is where you want to kind of get it squared away. Okay, that's tight. So then tighten these down. Do like a little of each. And you know, everybody's got their own techniques. Don't think that I'm like master mechanic over here. Yeah, doggy, we're ready. Okay, I'm gonna put my light back on and my disc brakes back on. And when in doubt, grab your 10. Whew. Let's get this fucker. Come on, man. Come on, Eric. There's gotta be a better way, Eric. I'm talking to you, Eric. Tighten that sucker down, because standing land, the roads are pretty bumpy. And you're gonna go to the mechanic a little bit more than your regular person. So we're gonna do a zip tie here, and then remember to put these here. Remember, I think they went on the inside. I like my shoes. Brand new shoes. I know they look dumb, but you know what? There's a fine line between dumb and comfort. And I'm not gonna wear these in public as much. They're more like driving. I like to drive with them, and I like to just go around the house with them. So they're pretty sweet. Because what's sweet about them is that you can like slip them on. You slip them on and then you pull this up if you want to go full turbo Hobo Dave style. But yeah, ACGs in the house. But yeah, clown now. But the joke's on you, because my feet are happy. Tighten that bitch up, fool. Did you go to fool school? Tighten that bitch up. Yes. Here we go. Back in action. RAD Bikes is gonna hire me for product videos. Tighten that bitch up. Bitch, you tight. That's what I like right there. That'll be max proof. Max poops proof. Booyah. Dude. Ready. Ready to rip. Let's take it for a rip. I gotta put my fender back on. I don't want to go too fast. But let's go on a tour. Let's do the Discovery Trail. And that'll be my next video. So like and subscribe. And there we go. Front brakes work. Everything works. We're back in action. Top speed. Like and subscribe. Stanleyland. Peace.